Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is fried chicken tikka. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. First, let's make the tikka marinade. And to do this, simply put all the marinade ingredients into a bowl and mix together. And don't be put off by the number of ingredients. All you got to do is get them together and mix them in a bowl. How hard can that be? While my wonderful wife prepares the marinade, I'll let you into something I learned today. If your wife asks you what colour her eyes are, battleship grey is not the correct answer. I just watched the video, you forgot to put the salt in. I hope no one else notices. Then when the marinade is prepared, add the chicken to the bowl and mix in well. Then cover and off to a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After the chicken has had at least 2 hours marinating, it's time to cook. And to do this, remove the chicken from the bowl, shaking off any excess marinade. Don't discard any marinade left in the bowl, we're going to use that. Next, put 5 tablespoons of plain flour on a plate or shallow bowl. Then drench the chicken in the flour piece at a time until well coated. And as my wife hates wasting good marinade, she puts the chicken back in the marinade and then back in the flour. This means you don't waste any marinade and makes the chicken even tastier. And the chicken should look something like this. And when all the chicken is ready, heat some oil in a frying pan to about 160 degrees C and fry off the chicken in batches. Remember the golden rules when frying chicken? Don't have the chicken pieces too big and don't have the oil too hot. Then continue to cook until thoroughly cooked through and lovely and golden brown. And there you have it, fried chicken tikka. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. If my wife ever speaks to me again, we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.